Hello and welcome to Mac Audio. We just wanted to thank you for attending our booth here at ISE2026. Let's just recap what you saw this year and all these new amazing products that we were presenting this year. First, there's a flyer, new constant curvature line array available in two different types of cabinet, the straight and slanted one, and the subwoofer, cardioid subwoofer that you can easily use to control the coverage and the coverage of the entire installation. Also, we had additions to our installation product ranges. You all know about the AirC series, and now also we have the additional AirCX series, more powerful, more potent 300 watts coaxial installation series in 10-inch, 12-inch and 15-inch. Also, the new development of our NX series, the new ND series. ND series has become much more potent, much more powerful in terms of SPL, and available in the same sizes of 10, 12 and 15 inches with a much more compact cabinets. And of course, our totally new line of installation, ultra compact installation speakers, the Q series, available in 3 sizes in 2 different options for interior design friendly with several colors available, and totally in-wall design for invisible installation. So thank you again for visiting this year, and see you again next year at the ISE27.